Hello, everyone. I'm Mike Wazowski from Monsters Inc. And let me give you a little disclaimer before the video starts. The following video is a wait still created by using AI technology. It is not created for an actual voice actor. I know I'm supposed to be with my pal Sully and making kids laugh at Monsters Inc. right now, but anyway, enjoy the scene where Squidward plays a nasty April Fool's prank on Spongebob, but Squidward has Big Bird's voice and Spongebob has Anger's voice. I think Big Bird is one of my favorite Sesame Street characters. Oh, and one more thing before we start the video. Carl Thompson 269. What I'm about to tell you is very important and I will only tell you this once. So please, listen to me very carefully. Do not tell Snuffy that Big Bird did a nasty April Fool's prank on Anger. Because if you do, then you will give me no choice but to come to your house and I will go into your bedroom and scare you. Just kidding, I wouldn't do that. I'm a nice monster. Anyways, I better get back to meeting with Sully. Enjoy the video.
Oh boy! Something for me to clean up!
April Fools! I'll get you, SpongeBob! Oops!
No!
April Fools, you little sausage! SpongeBob, I was just kidding. Come on, you guys know I was just kidding, right?
Oh man, poor kid.
That guy has definitely got some issues to work out.
April Fools, jerk.
Wait, don't go!
You stink!